అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈ చల్లని సాయంత్రం వేళ మన ఈ ఏడాది తెలుగు విశ్వావసు నామ సంవత్సర ఉగాది సంబరాలకు విచ్చేసిన మీ అందరికీ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As the coordinator of this beautiful celebration, it fills my heart with immense joy and pride to stand before you today. As we gather to celebrate Ugadi, the Telugu New Year, the festival is a symbol of fresh beginnings, renewed hope, and the rich cultural heritage that binds us all. At the outset, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq Al Said for his unwavering support, benevolence, and visionary leadership. We pray to the Almighty to bless His Majesty with a long life and robust health. I would also like to extend heartfelt thanks to various ministries and authorities who have continuously supported the expatriate community and to our Omani brothers and sisters for their encouragement and goodwill during our time in this wonderful country. It gives me great pleasure to welcome each one of you to the 2025 Ugadi celebrations hosted by the Telugu Wing Salala. We are honored by the presence of Mr. Rakesh Kumar Jha, President of the Indian Social Club, along with his dedicated management team. A warm welcome as well to the conveners and members of the various linguistic wings of Indian Social Club, the President and the members of School Management Committee, the Principal and staff of Indian School Salala. Your presence truly adds to the spirit of this event. A special word of thanks goes to our sponsors, whose generous support has played a crucial role in making this event a grand success. We are truly grateful. Today's celebration features a variety of cultural programs carefully planned and passionately performed. Behind each act lies the hard work and commitment of our members, children, parents, choreographers, friends, and well-wishers. I am confident that every performance will leave us inspired and entertained. To all the participants, I wish you the very best. Let the festivities begin, and may the spirit of Ugadi bring joy, peace, and prosperity to all. Now I request our convener, Mr. Ramakant Jayanti, to address the gathering.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. శుభ సాయంత్రం. తెలుగు విభాగం నిర్వహిస్తున్న ఈ ఉగాది ఉత్సవానికి అందరికీ స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం తెలుగు విభాగం నిర్వహించే ఉగాది ఉత్సవాలకు అన్ని విభాగాలు ఎదురు చూస్తాయంటే అది అతిశయోక్తి కాదు. ఈ ఉగాది 2025 ఉత్సవాల కోసం శ్రమించిన సభ్యులకు, పాల్గొంటున్న పిల్లలకు, పెద్దలకు అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. ఉగాది కేవలం ఒక పండుగ కాదు. ఇది కొత్త ఆరంభాలు, కొత్త ఆశలు మరియు మన గొప్ప తెలుగు సంస్కృతి యొక్క స్ఫూర్తి యొక్క వేడుక. ఇది ప్రకృతి మనతో కలిసి వేడుకలో పాల్గొనే సమయం. చెట్లపై కొత్త ఆకులు, పొలాలలో తాజా పంటలు మరియు మన జీవితాల్లో ఒక కొత్త అధ్యాయం. మన ప్రియమైన మాతృభాష అయిన తెలుగు కేవలం ఒక భాష కాదు, గొప్ప సాంస్కృతిక వారసత్వం, సాహిత్యం మరియు కాలాతీత సంప్రదాయం యొక్క ప్రతిబింబం. ఈరోజు మనం ఇక్కడ సమావేశమైనందున భారతదేశ శాస్త్రీయ భాషల్లో ఒకటైన తెలుగు అందం, లోతు మరియు చరిత్రను జరుపుకుందాం. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్. We extend a warm greetings to the members of the Indian Social Club Management Committee, the conveners, the executive committee, the members of the all other linguistic wings, the event sponsors, and the attendees of today's program. I, Ramakant Jayanti, as the convener of the Telugu wing, honored to witness the active engagement of our Telugu community. Additionally, I would like to extend a warm greeting to the members of my Telugu wing, executive committee, and the wing members who are here, perform, support, or simply enjoy, or your presence adds a particular touch to the occasion. There are many new faces in our executive committee, but they also brought fresh perspectives and ideas. Despite being new to the committee, they are dedicated. I am confident that we will showcase the program in a spectacular manner. I am extremely grateful to His Majesty Haitham bin Tariq Al Said and his government for granting this event permission and assistance. Sincere thanks to our diamond sponsor, Mr. Badr Rashid Al Mamari of Gulf Falcon International Trade and Business, platinum sponsors who are our OQ Telugu Salala friends and other Telugu individual friends, and other sponsors. This occasion would not have been possible without their kind assistance. I express my gratitude to all the kids, women and gentlemen who have taken part in various activities. Participation is impossible without parental support for kids and husband support for wives. I truly appreciate the support from these husbands and parents. This is an opportunity to congratulate the new ISC Management Committee, which is led by Mr. Rakesh Kumar Jha, Vice President Mr. Sunny Jacob, the General Secretary Dr. Sandeep Oja, and our Wing Observer Dr. Rajshekaran, and other members of the Management Committee. This is on behalf of Telugu Wing. I believe that this new committee would work harder to bring the Indian community in Salala together and organize more activities. Greetings to you all to the colorful and festive celebration of Ugadi, our Telugu New Year. I also welcome wholeheartedly the President of SMC and the members of the School Management Committee, the Principal and the staff of Indian School Salala. Your presence is truly adds to the spirit of this event. The Telugu Wing Salala magnificently celebrates Ugadi, the Telugu New Year, each year. We are pleased to provide an occasional cultural tribute to our language and customs this year as well. Our objective is to restore our relationship with Telugu, encouragement everyone, particularly the younger generation, to be proud of speaking and conserving it through this program. Around 170 performers participated in a variety of cultural activities. May this occasion serve as a reminder of our heritage and inspire a fresh enthusiasm for our mother tongue. Once again, I warmly welcome you all. Let's make this occasion memorable. So let's get together, celebrate with joy and love, and greet the new year with optimism and unity. Once again, welcome and Ugadi Subhakangshalu to each one of you. Thank you. Jai Andhra, Jai Telangana, Jai Hind, Jai Oman.
Thank you, Mr. Ramakant Jayanti. I request our Honorable Chief Guest and President of Indian Social Club, Mr. Rakesh Kumar Jha, to share few words.
Hi, Namaskaram, good evening and Salaam Alaikum to everyone. First of all, wish you all happy Ugadi and the festive day, Eid just gone, and many festival Baisakhi was there. Salala known for the culture, heritage and between the relation between Indo-Oman or Omani and Indians community. I welcome Mr. Salim, Mr. Katan and a few more guests who joined today. I saw them first, so maybe the background just I asked in the office and they told they have a trading company, some are in a different company. So most welcome, give a big hand for our guest. Now thanks Mr. Ramakant and his team who are working hard to make this today day to be success for the Ugadi day. They are celebrated since long. They are going on every year. This year because of the elections and many formalities, they got the date now and they are celebrating today. Here I would like to share, especially during the Eid, lot of accident was there. So the safety or safely driving is a slogan. I think we should go with that this year with all festival. Either you are coming from home to club or going from club to home, please take care and avoid watching mobile, because lot of our local and Indian friends are in hospital, either sometime with their mistake and sometime for other mistake. You all know that once it's happened, it is pain for the all community, because everyone sad with those incident which is unable to predict and unable to support those family, because regularly it's happened in the last month. I quote here our Wali clearly told Rakesh, especially tell your Indian community, because the driving site is different left and right issues are there with them when they watch mobile and drive. It's become very much unsafe. So whenever you get chance, communicate with your Indian community to drive safely. With this, lot of programs are happening and our new committee form. Many wings also, election was there last year, new committee from various wings came. Recently, Ministry of Social Development has come with their own requirements. So meeting those requirements was that any program anyone want to conduct, he should apply for 4 months before, which is very difficult for many wings, though they have an annual program. I request all Indian community, every member, if you have a plan, something to conduct, please request us 4 months minimum before, because it is not in our hand, not in ISC Oman. It is purely instructed by Ministry of Social Development, Muscat. With this, I wish you all the best and the Telugu Vivaha committee that as usual, their culture program always is very vibrant and very culture talent. They are giving them chance to the childrens. Today also, as I understand, lot of children are participating, and it's good for our community when children get known to about culture when we are away from India at Oman. So with this, whatever wings are there, please come forward, be a member of the wings, be a member of forum. We have a karaoke forum, ladies forum, karate class, and many facility in the club. We got this opportunity, better to utilize those opportunity, and whatever suggestion is there, my and my management committee teams are open to listen and implement whatever best is for the community. With this, thank you once again and wish you all the best.
Thank you, Mr. Rakesh Kumarja. I request our Honorable General Secretary of Indian Social Club, Dr. Sandeep Oja, to talk about today's evening.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good evening and Salaam Alaikum to one and all gathered over here. I wish everybody the festive season of different parts of India. Though we have celebrated the April month, even we can say this is the festive month for the India, for the different regions. Started by the 1st of April, that is the Chaitra Pratipada, then Bishu, Tamilian New Year, Malayalam New Year. Now Yugadi celebration is today. So I wish all the best to Ramakanji and his team for a grand success, and be safe that whatever our President Rakesh Janji has already been shared with you due to the lot of incident. Be safe, be happy. The Almighty will shower his blessings upon you and your family forever for your well-being. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sandeep Oja. We all have gathered tonight for a cultural event. So why are you waiting? Let's invite our Cultural Secretary, Mr. J. Nityanand, to brief you about the event.
Good evening. Namaskaram. Salam alaikum. తెలుగు విభాగ్ నిర్వహిస్తున్న ఈ ఉగాది సంవత్సరానికి అందరికీ స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం తెలుగు విభాగం నిర్వహిస్తున్న ఉగాది ఉత్సవాలకు అన్ని విభాగాలు ఎదురు చూస్తున్నాయంటే అది అతిశయోక్తి లేదు. ఈ ఉగాది 2025 సంవత్సరం కోసం శ్రమించిన సభ్యులకు, పాల్గొంటున్న పిల్లలకు, వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు అండ్ స్పెషలీ మా కోరియోగ్రాఫర్స్కి అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఆల్. హార్ట్లీ వెల్కమ్ టు ఇండియన్ సోషల్ క్లబ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ కమిటీ మెంబర్స్, కన్వీనర్స్ and members of other linguistic wings, Telugu wing members, event sponsors, participants and guests. A special thanks to our today's sponsors, chief guest Sheikh Salim Ahmed Ali Khatan. Thank you, sir. And also General Trading Sir, our chief guest, Mr. Ahmed, Mr. Mohammed. Thank you, sir. Sorry to that. So, welcome you, sir, for this today's evening. Without you, without many more sponsors, our OQ friends, NAMA friends, and SEMCOP friends, many sponsors. There is a lot of list is there, which I cannot tell you because it will be listed on the main screen and also in the PPM is there. So without their support, we cannot able to do this today's evening program. Thank you very much, sir. Every year, Telugu Wing Salala celebrates Ugadi. The Telugu New Year is in a grand manner. This year also we have come up with spectacular culture events, various programs and line up to enthrall our audience. Around 175 participants are performing involved in various cultural events. I sincerely thank His Majesty Sultan Hamad bin Tariq and his governance for the permission and the support for this event. Our sincere gratitude to our gold sponsor, platinum sponsors and other major sponsor. A special thanks to Dr. Rajshekhar, our observer. Thank you, sir. Without their general support, this event would haven't been happen. I thank you to the children, ladies and gentlemen for their participation in different programs. Without parents' support for the children, without husband support for a wife, participation is not possible. I sincerely thank such parents and husbands for their support. So before leaving the stage of the comments of programs, I request you to enjoy all the programs. I will not tell what is it, but I can tell you our grand finale will be a special. So please wait till the end of the program and enjoy each and every program. I especially thanks to the children and their parents. They have taken a tremendous effort to practice in the condition is very haughty and also very tough to get apart. And also thank because they are coming onto the stage, their clothes are getting sweated. And even though they are coming for the practice for almost 1 week, and also they are practicing at home to make this program successful. So, and also there is one of the Tamil Wing program has been done. One children was missed off because he was searching here and there. And now also I tell all the children, take care of your, I request the parents to take care of your children because they may be going around. It should not be happen now also because, they will be playing here and there and also. So please, I request to take care of your children, those who are participating in this program and those who are not participating. So request to take care of them. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Oman.
Thank you, Mr. Nityanand. Now I request all the committee members of Telugu Wing to come on the dais for a group photo. Mr. Ramakant Jayanti, convener. Mr. Girish Peddineni, co-convener. Mr. Syed Afwak, treasurer. Mr. J. Nityanand, cultural secretary. Mr. Satiraju, children wing secretary. Mr. Naresh Mandala, entertainment secretary. Mr. Krishna Chaitanya, sports secretary. Mr. Kalyan Reddy, joint treasurer. And myself, Radhika Harikumar, lady coordinator.
I request ISC Management Committee to come onto the stage for the photograph. And also I request Ahmed sir, I will call you back with the next. You will be the Chief Guest Mohammed and Ahmed Katan also. Sir, just...